Alright boys, Scholar 1640 here. Now, what I'm trying to do is take this transmission off. Take it apart. This thing is pretty sealed on there, so going to do those. Going to bang it. If I can just get something to pry in there, we'll be alright, but so far I'm trying. Let me make sure. Oh, there's one more bolt. Hold on, guys. Alright, let's end it. Let's try this again, boys. Okay. Sounds like a pretty strong bolt. Now, it's a Spicer transmission. That axle, as you can see, has came out. So, what I'm going to do is take it apart and see why it broke. And it's going to be pretty funny if it snapped off the snap ring. This is not a Spicer transmission on my lawnmower, it's a different one. So don't worry. Alright, see y'all when I get the part. Boys, now I broke the transmission through. Let's take it off and see what's inside. Dang. She's a fighter. Make sure those little bitty balls don't come out. That would not be good. Alright, dig. Oh, hope that bow gear don't break. Hope the intake gear ain't broken. It's connected to. Alright. Trying to get this case. I'm sorry, guys. I lost. Holy cow. Boys, I think the spider gear broke off the axle shaft. So, now, make sure the intake gear is in good condition now. It's fairly in good condition. These little balls, spring balls, fell out. Everything looks good. I mean, gotta watch out, these things can cut you. I heard about that. It's in good condition. I'm impressed. These little balls. Little balls! Alright, make sure these little balls, they gotta put those back in. So, yeah. What it looks like to me is this thing looks in good condition. Now the gears are not stripped out. It's just these little springs came out. I don't know where those go. I guess they go on top of the case in there. Flip it around. Yeah. Yeah, they go in there. Those little balls go in there, so that's good. Now, what I gotta do now is just look at the gears and make sure I'll clean all this up. So, the only thing broken are these spider gears. It's the only thing's wrong, but the intake gear looks good. So, the intake gear goes somewhere right between there, right there. It spins on those little gears, you see. We got your 6 gears here, Spicer. Got your brake, so none of them are stripped out besides a little bit wear right there. They ain't gonna hurt it none. So, what you guys think? This is the chain gear, and that's the pulley input shaft gear. All this stuff I need to clean up because it's a greasy mess. Bye guys, I'll talk to you guys later. How do y'all like my take apart video? And now I gotta get back together when I fix it. So, bye guys. And these little rubber grooves and everything, gotta take that off, gotta make sure everything's clean. Then I'll put her back together and we'll have a good transmission. So if that Spicer wears out, take that one apart, swap the internals, and everything's good. Bye guys, see y'all soon. Hey everybody, Skyr 1640 here. Getting the camera set it up. This right here is a Spicer transmission. Now, we're going to be working on this soon. We're going to be getting it all straightened out. We're going to put the little balls back in the gear shift and fork place. So, the grease looks good, everything looks good. The only thing a matter of this is the axle is broke. Got this axle, which is broken in half. It didn't really break in half, just need to put it back together. So this is a Spicer transmission. And the gears are good, and everything doesn't look bad. So, I'm hoping to have a good transmission on it, so maybe we can take it for a little test drive if we ever get the rear end back together. My Craftsman is right over there. This is a different Spicer transmission. It's a different transmission than the other one over there on the Craftsman. This is Spicer. So what I gotta do is put the shift and fork back together. And yeah. Everything else on it. This is my update video. No, y'all can hear me good. Alright, it's kind of windy out. Sorry about that. And yeah. And this transmission came off a Wizard lawnmower. And it's a Spicer. I really wish I had a Peerless. None of the gears are stripped out on it. Let's have a look. Alright guys, talk to y'all later. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and favorite the video. Hope y'all have a good day.